Hello everyone, welcome back to my blog, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Nets Pinay Blog. Happy New Year everyone. It is time flies, it's January 2nd 2026. So this is our simple dinner for tonight. It is pancit canton with eggs. It's pancit canton with eggs right here. For long life, every occasion we always have pancit for long life. Any kind of pancit, any kind of noodles for long life. So always have long noodles for long life for our tradition. So let's eat and enjoy. And Happy New Year again to all. Hope we have a good year 2026. God bless us all and enjoy and be safe whatever you do, and good luck to us. Happy New Year. Cheers for the noodles. Cheers for New Year. And let's eat dinner, everyone. Simple dinner for me. It is pancit canton for long life. Cheers for the long noodles for long life. Say, there you go. Long noodles for long life. It is pancit canton with hot-boiled eggs right there. So our tradition, we always have eggs, of course, water, their part, and fruits, of course, manzanas, apple keep the doctor away, ha ha ha, and oranges for your calcium, and cookie butter for spread for the roll. And that's it, simple and quick. And I have my golden shrimp cracker right there, and put the rolls, the spread inside there, so just like that. And let's eat, enjoy, and God bless everyone. And mukbang time, mukbang time. So let's have a mukbang, and hoping everyone is happy. Mabuhat tayong lahat sa mga naroroon ng sulok ng mundo. Manigong bagong taon sa ating lahat. And ingat po tayo and take care, of course.